In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Walmart grocery delivery. We're here to make it easy for you so you can keep tabs on your grocery order every step of the way. Whether you're on your desktop or mobile device, these simple instructions will guide you through the process of tracking your food from the moment you check out until it reaches your doorstep. First, we begin by navigating to the Walmart website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL walmart.com. This is your starting point for keeping an eye on your grocery delivery. The homepage is usually filled with exciting offers and available products, but for now, let's focus on tracking your order. Once you're on the Walmart homepage, you'll need to access your personal account where all your order details are stored. Look for the profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and, if prompted, enter your login credentials. This step ensures that you're able to view orders specifically placed under your account. With your profile open, the next step is to click on Purchase History, which is typically listed among your account options. Purchase History is where you can view all past and current orders, providing a centralized place for keeping track of everything you've purchased. After clicking on Purchase History, locate your recent grocery order, find the one you're interested in tracking, and click on Track Your Order. This is an important step, as it will lead you directly to the page displaying all tracking details associated with your delivery. At this point, the system might prompt you for additional verification to ensure your privacy and security. Here, you should enter the email address linked to your Walmart account. This helps confirm your identity, assuring that the personal information associated with your orders is protected and confidential. Following this, you'll be asked to input your order number. You can usually find this in your order confirmation email or your purchase history. Type it in carefully. This number ties you to the specific delivery you're looking to track and ensures you're accessing the right information. Finally, click on View Order Status to get up-to-date information about your groceries. This part of the process is where you'll find detailed information, including the current location of your delivery and the estimated arrival time at your home. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to tracking your Walmart grocery delivery. Doing it yourself is easy, reassuring, and keeps you informed about when you can expect your groceries to arrive. Whether it's your weekly grocery essentials or a special delivery, knowing how to track ensures you're never left guessing. Thanks for watching, and happy grocery shopping.